How to add a clickable link or design on Canva. If you want to add a clickable link or design on Canva, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open up your browser. Once you open your browser, simply go to your design right here. So let's say right here I have a certain text or maybe an image, even an image or a text doesn't matter, where I want to add, let's say, a link, right? So to add a clickable link, whenever I click this to open up a link, go to this three dots, go to this control key, which is the link option. Now right here you simply want to paste the link that you want to add right here, right? So what all you have to do is simply go ahead and then enter a link, just click on done. So next time whenever someone basically visits this, they will be able to go to their new link. You can also do the same for a certain design if it is a design which is a photo or a certain text. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.